Say his name one time. ParisCollins.
Let's ride from Georgia up to Illinois. He's closing deals, he's making noise. You see that smile, that man's on fire. Signs in the yard, numbers going higher. Best salesman, that's the headline. Got your dream house sitting on a deadline. You want keys, he's a reminder. You want value, he's the reminder. P-A-R-I.
Hey guys, we are back in Lithonia. Great neighborhood. Great property. And I want you guys to take a look at this one. Again, everything will be in the description below. This is another one that I think some of you guys will like, but particularly my client. And we'll go ahead and start right here. Looks like they had some new flooring put in. I'm gonna try and get all of the lighting in too so you guys can see that. The lighting in this home, they've updated all the lighting. Smells like new paint in a lot of the rooms. I don't know if you got these columns, if you guys got a chance to see it. Right across the way, this will be, I guess, your sitting area. Again, check out that lighting. That's exactly what I was looking at for my dining room. Nice sitting area. So this is a bathroom. This home has no light, by the way, so I brought my flashlight. Realtor always has a good flashlight. Here you go. Closet space. We'll check out upstairs last. You got one step down. This is the family room. And again, check out those, the lighting, big ceiling fans. I actually was looking at this one too for my my living room. Well, that's a gas fireplace and they still got wood, like, yeah. So we're stepping up. This is a little eat-in area, and again, nice lighting. Small little island. I believe these appliances are actually coming with the property. You could clean up the stove, microwave, but I would just get another one. Pantry. Garage. Hot water tank is in the garage. This is a 2-car garage. We have closet space. More than enough closet space. Remember, if you want to see some of these properties in person, just go ahead, message me. My phone number should be on the video. You have Instagram, you may have TikTok on there, but trust me, I'm never on TikTok. Okay, they updating the flooring on this. So this is another sitting area upstairs. Have a laundry room. Guessing that washer and dryer might be staying. All right, bedroom number 1. No, this is number 2. Closet space. Bedroom number 3, lots of light. Oh, I missed a closet up here. Hallway closet. And we're in the master. Okay, so this is a huge sitting area over here. This is the bathroom. Jesus. Okay, you might want to hire a cleaning company. Yeah, and this is a property that I think it got good bones. Just needs some updating here and there. Looks like paint on the floor. This is a walk-in closet. Oh, nice light. They should have had the power on. And nice to see it. All right, you definitely want to switch out the vanity. It's seen better days, but still all in all a home with good bones. Whoa, they ain't got no railing on the damn stairs. What year was this house built? All right. I believe the people that own this house had chickens. I see an egg. You guys see that broken egg right there? They had chickens. Definitely had chickens. They had plums. I gotta look. I think this was a foreclosure, because nobody plants a fruit tree and then leaves before it's actually big. You can cut that down. Is this the backside of Stone Mountain? Yeah, there's a lot more chicken eggs over there. Okay, so these people had chickens. They had livestock back here. And this is Lithonia. Oh, that's a cabbage. Oh, that's a cabbage. Well, you know you can grow vegetables and fruit back here. What's over here? Raspberries, blueberries. I don't know if you guys can see the tags, but they planted fruit. Can you see that? That look like tomatoes. Maybe they come back. My grandmother liked to plant vegetables, so. All right. It's a hard rock. Let's see what we got back here. Rock. Is this the back of Stone Mountain area? Yo, I think this... Oh, she planted something down there. I see an apple tree. And some more stuff, so if you guys want to see this house, go ahead and let me know. Again, contact information is in the listing below. Hit me up and I'll make that happen.
Say his name one time. ParisCollins.
Let's ride from Georgia up to Illinois. He's closing deals, he's making noise. You see that smile, that man's on fire. Signs in the yard, numbers going higher. Best salesman, that's the headline. Got your dream house sitting on a deadline. You want keys, he's a reminder. You want value, he's the reminder. P-A-R-I-A. Collins on the line. If there is a deal to be found, it's mine. Let's go. Best bid in the business, say it loud. Handsome with the hustle, make his mama proud. Oh yeah. Georgia to Chicago, he's the one they call. You're trying to win in real estate, he's got it all. P-A-R-I-S. Collins every time. If there ready, he's already there. Shirt pressed clean, perfect beard, great hair. He's got buyers, he's got sellers, turning just looking into storytellers. From condos up high to porch swings low, he's got a place everywhere you wanna go. You bring the dream, he brings the pen. Shake his hand once, you're coming back again. Who you gonna call when you're ready to move? Paris Collins stepping in the room. Best in the game, yeah, you know that's right. He'll find your deal in the day or the night. Hey, Georgia Peach, city streets. He connects the dots where the numbers meet. Say his name, bust the doors and lock. Paris on your side and you're ready to rock. P-A-R-I. Collins on the line. If there is a deal to be found, it's mine. Let's go. Best beard in the business, say it loud. Handsome with the hustle, make his mama proud. Georgia to Chicago, he's the one that call. You're trying to win and